This interior makes a Volkswagen look cheap. That is not a sentence you expect to hear about a Chinese SUV you have never heard of. But the new Omoda 5 just proved everyone wrong about what £25,000 buys you in 2026. Let me show you why. The exterior does not look expensive. It looks competent. It looks acceptable. It looks like it borrowed design cues from every successful family SUV and played it safe, which is exactly what most buyers want. But open the bonnet and things get interesting. This 1.6-liter turbocharged petrol engine produces 190 horsepower and 290 newton-meters of torque. That is the same power as a Volkswagen T-Roc R-Line that costs £15,000 more. It is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic that feels sharp when you need it and relaxed when you do not. 0 to 62 happens in 7.9 seconds. That makes this faster than a base Nissan Qashqai, faster than a base Kia Sportage, and significantly faster than anything Volkswagen will sell you for the same money. The engine never feels strained on motorways. It settles into a quiet cruise, and the gearbox keeps revs low. Wind noise is well controlled for this price point. You are not buying a Lexus, but you are not paying Lexus money either. Now step inside and prepare to forget everything you thought you knew about budget SUVs. You get dual 10.25-inch curved displays that look lifted from a car costing twice as much. You get heated and electrically adjustable front seats wrapped in part leather. You get wireless smartphone charging with a cooling system so your phone does not overheat. You get an 8-speaker Sony sound system. You get adaptive cruise control. You get a reversing camera as standard. You get LED lights all around. You get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You get 64-color ambient lighting that transforms the cabin at night. The materials feel premium where you touch them. The steering wheel is soft. The gear lever is solid. The dashboard plastics are firm, but they do not feel cheap. Rear legroom is adequate for adults. Headroom is tight if you are over 6 feet tall. The boot offers 380 liters with the seats up. Not class-leading, but perfectly functional for a family of 4. Visibility out the back is compromised by the sloping roofline, but the standard reversing camera compensates. The verdict. The new Omoda 5 starts at £25,000. For context, a base Volkswagen T-Cross costs the same money and gives you half the horsepower and a 5-speed manual gearbox. A Skoda Karoq with similar power starts north of £40,000. The Omoda also comes with a 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty. That is Kia territory. That is confidence. Is it perfect? No. The fuel economy at 31 miles per gallon is not impressive. The gearbox can be slow to respond in traffic, but if you want 190 horsepower, generous equipment, and money left over for holidays, the Omoda 5 delivers. Chinese cars are no longer the punchline, they are the plot twist. If you want to see what else is rewriting the rulebook, check the next video. And if this changed your mind about Chinese SUVs, leave a comment. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.